Hi kindergarten friends, this is our math video today. Today we're going to be talking about reading a story problem and then drawing a picture to solve the problem. Here we go, let's get started. Okay, today I wrote a problem on my board. It says, I saw 2 red books and 2 blue books. Draw a picture and show how many I saw all together. Okay, but first I want to know. I'm going to circle my numbers because that's going to help me. How many red books did I see? You're right. I'm going to circle this. So I saw 2 red books. I'm going to circle that because that tells me how many I'm going to draw. Now, how many blue books did I see? You're right. I saw 2 blue books. So I'm going to circle 2 blue books. Now I want to draw a picture to show how many I saw all together. All together. I'm going to underline that word because I need to know. That tells me I want to know all together means I have to add them up. All right, so let's draw my picture to help me solve my problem. How many red books did I see, everybody? 2. You're right. I saw 2 red books. So I'm going to draw 2 red books right here. There's my first red book, and here is my second book. Now we'll put some lines in here. There's my words on my page. All right, so I saw 2 red books, right? Because I circled that, so I know I saw 2 red books. Now, I want to know how many blue books I saw. So I'm going to use my blue marker. How many blue books did I see? You're right, I saw 2. So I'm going to draw 2 blue books now. Because it says to draw the picture. So here's my blue books. There's 1. And there's 2. There's 2 blue books. Now, I saw 2 red books and 2 blue books. But I want to know how many I saw all together. So that means that I have to add them up. So I know that I have 2 over here because I saw 2 red books plus 2 blue books equals how many books do I have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I saw 4 books. Friends, when you are reading your problems, make sure that you circle the number and you circle the other number because that will help you figure out how many to draw. All right, now I'm going to switch my number and I want to see if you can figure this out. Are you ready? Here we go. Let me erase my problem here and I'm going to switch this out and switch this out. I want to see. Okay, first I saw 4 blue books. And 5 red books. Oops. Okay, friends, so here's my new problem. It says, I saw 4 blue books and 5 red books. Draw a picture to show how many I saw all together. What am I going to do first? You're right, I'm going to circle blue books because I need to know how many of them I to draw. So I'm going to circle my blue books. And then how many red books did I see? You're right, 5 red books. So I'm going to circle that. Okay, now I'm going to draw my picture. So how many blue books am I going to draw? I circled it right there. I'm going to draw 4 blue books. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my 4 blue books. Now, how many red books did I see? You're right, I saw 5, so I'm going to draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so now I have to solve my problem. I'm drawing my picture. So how many blue books did I have? I had 4, you're right. So 4 blue books plus how many red books? 5 red books equals, now I can count my pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many books did I have all together? Yes, I had 9. Very good. Now, friends, today I want you to solve this problem. Can you solve this problem right here? Sue has 4 green books and 1 blue book. Draw a picture. How many books does she have all together? I want you to solve this problem doing exactly what we just did. You can use your crayons to draw it out. All right, friends, I'll post the answer tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.